Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is SF9 Chani and Kim Sae-ron fortune harmony analysis. Today, let's look at the combination of SF9 Chani and Kim Sae-ron's fortune. I analyzed it with the request of an overseas YouTube subscriber. They were good structures that existed near the letters that means themselves as necessary conditions as celebrities. Let's analyze it together. Chani is a big tree in fortune. Trees wanted to continue to grow and become number one everywhere. Kim Sae-ron is a big rock in fortune. Big rocks have a strong personality and emotional side. Two letters are the energy of conflict when they meet. But it's a good meeting because it's a conflict for each other's development. It's a conflict that increases each other's usefulness. So they need each other. And Chani has a letter that means popularity in his fortune. It's a letter marked with a pink heart. And the letter marked with the red box means Chani's charisma. Chani has a charismatic fortune structure that goes well with action. Kim Sae-ron doesn't have a letter that means popularity, but there are letters that mean charm and sexiness. These are the letters marked in the red box. They are composed of distinctive structures in their fortune. Chani has a letter that means art to his fortune. And energy is flowing straight to wealth and letters that mean women. There are three characters that mean wealth and women, and their presence is enormous. Chani will meet a smart wife and have wealth. This two-step fortune structure is a structure that is often seen in celebrities and businessmen. It is a good structure that expresses his talent with art and gains popularity and wealth through it. The charisma and popularity described in the previous photo also existed to complete the wonderful Chani. Kim Sae-ron's energy is flowing from both letters that mean her to art. They are a good structure in which the artistry that they need most as celebrities is located near the letters that mean themselves, showing their talents well. And Kim Sae-ron has a good talent in academic acquisition and information acceptance as the energy of energy input. This structure is a good fortune for research or teaching. I think Kim Sae-ron must have studied well, but there is no energy for men. Kim Sae-ron's sexy character structure is a good structure as a celebrity. Chani doesn't have the energy equivalent to his children, although each of these structures is lacking one by one. Most of all, there are conflicts that develop each other, and there is something in common that shows their artistic abilities well in the fortune structure where charisma and charm exist. However, it is a little regrettable that the direction of energy flow in the fortune structure is slightly different, and that Kim Sae-ron's fortune does not have letters that mean man. I give them 82% for their fortune harmony. I hope everything you do goes well and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.